Welcome to my video. Hello, I just want to show you about the finishing tool, which you can see just there. I'll show you quite a few magazines. In each issue between 91 and 110 you get different parts for it, different ends. Like you've got the blade there, like this is the macro removal tip, and then I've noticed twice in each issue it says about the blades are supplied are very extremely sharp. Well, this one anyway is, and then it like tells you how to fix it in, and then it says, then on the back page it says about the heated finishing tool, important safety advice. It's basically don't let children or animals to use it, work in a safe environment, long hair back. I won't go for them all, but it takes about 15 minutes to cool down, about 2 to 4 minutes to heat up. Basically everything's like safety here, and then finishing techniques. This is what it says. Like it says before, this is what it says twice in each of these issues. Before you use the heated finishing tool and its 8 finest tips, please read the safety advice, issue 92, which I've just done briefly, carefully. It is important to remember that tip of this tool gets extremely hot and must never be touched while it is switched on for at least 15 minutes after it has been switched off. It will cause severe burns and motor materials to skin and motor materials. And then it says your further 6 fitness tips there, and then that's the heated finishing tool just there, with the pointed tip, that one there. Getting started with the heated tool, just to show you how to screw it in, and then that's its little rest, so we have to put it on. And this is another. So yeah, that's the rest there, and it shows you how to put it on there. And then using the chisel tip, just showing you how to use each of the tips there. This is the and it's starting to show you the macro removal tip, pointed tip socket, and the chisel there. And again on the back page it says using the sharp tapered tip, so it's just showing you how to do it. This is the straight edge tip, and again on the back it says using straight edge tip. So far we've had the macro removal tip, the pointed tip, the chisel tip, snap, sharp tapered tip, straight edge tip. Now we've got the angled refining tip, and then get it on the back page. It shows you using the angled refining tip. And this is the long cylindrical tip. And it tells you how to using the tip. Again, it tells you about the safety of about it being hot there, and it says about it being hot there, importance. And then in the last issue, it shows you all the 6. Got the macro removal tip, issue 92, the chisel tip, issue 95, destroy edge tip, issue 99, long cylindrical tip, issue 105, pointed tip, issue 93, sharp taped tip, issue 96, angled refining tip, issue 103, and lastly issue 106, the wider tip. And then again, it tells you, like, maybe, yeah, I'll show you how to use it. I've got these 3 SD card holders. They're a little bit messy. Like, you've got this. You can see this bit sticking out here on this one. On both ends. I'm going to cut it off, or smooth. And then on this one, it's a bit rough around this edge bit here. Try and smooth that up a bit, and on this one, maybe it's just got that little bit, that little edge bit there. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Have a go. Well, this is my little V3 bag where I keep my little tools, which came with the magazines. So I open it up, and there you go. See, that's the heater there. Got some cutters, some things, some paint brushes there, and the actual tips there. So let's get it ready. The files there. It's like a sharp bladed where I can cut things with. And there's some tweezers there if I need it. And that's the stand there, so let's get it ready. Now there's 3 what I can use. I can either use the chisel tip, which is that one, or I can use the straight edge tip, which is that one, or I can use the macro removal tip, which is that one. Well, there's 2 of them. I'm going to try this one first. It's got most sharpest blades, so I'm going to fix this one on, and these fix onto here. So let's put this on here. Okay, so I screwed that onto there, so you can see that tiny little screw there. All left for me to do now is to screw this into here, like so. Now, for the first time ever, now this is going to get very, very hot, so I'm going to turn it on, and it says 2 to 4 minutes, so here it goes. Now it does say there is no on switch, nor is there like a little on light. You know, sometimes appliances have like a little on switch, so a little red light goes on when so you know that is on, but this doesn't have that. So it's just a matter of just like not actually burning something, just like putting your hand near it so you can feel the heat coming off. So there you go, switched on. You hear that little click. Now I've got to wait 2 minutes for it to heat up, and then I've got to use this little stand here. So I put it on like that, Now wait 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back again. I'll see you about 2 minutes time. That's about 2 minutes. Hopefully it's nice and hot. I can feel a bit of heat. I'm not going to touch the chocolate, don't burn it, but I can feel, even at that close, I can feel a bit of heat coming off it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a bit of a funny, kind of like a blue, purpley colour, just where it fixes, like the beginning of the blade, where it fixes actually onto it, where the little screw is. Okay, so that's, I've never done this before, so don't know how I'm going to do this. Look, it's actually cutting. Got no idea. I'm just making this up as I go along. Maybe I ought to press down. Don't put too much pressure on here. It's like cutting with a knife here. I suppose that wasn't too bad. Maybe I can just file that bit. Right, there's that bit what came off, which I just cut off. Let's have another go. Maybe if I do a bit of a slicing action, might do it slightly better. I can definitely smell the plastic melting. Give this a bit of a, I've done two. And maybe I'll just, with this one, maybe I'll just simply just, I don't think I need to I can just simply just file the edges with this one. I think probably better than trying to use the heating tool. So that's my first attempt anyway. I've dug too deep in there. Maybe I should have left it how it was. I made a better attempt on that side than I did that side. I've kind of anyway, kind of get the idea. Maybe I'll just leave this one as it is. I think I'll leave this one as it is. That looks alright actually. It's just a little practice go really, just to show you how. See, I can even see a bit of plastic on the blade there. I mean, it's quite good. So now what to do is to turn it off, and it says wait 15 minutes. I mean, what they should have done was put that little red light on it so you know. I suppose it doesn't really make much difference really. And I tell you, that's it. That's just to show you how you can use it really. So when you've got the idea, I'll just quickly show you. Like these are, like those are all the other tools you can put on it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.